Good morning, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. This morning we're going to give you a brief walkthrough of the all-new Grady-White 326 Canyon. I'll first start out on the transom. We've powered this boat with twin 300 Yamahas that is equipped with Helm Master joystick, and we'll get to that as we move forward in the boat. Come on in as you step aboard from the starboard side. Notice you have a large space on the wing sides of the transom. When you step in, you still have your fold-away bench seat here. It gives you a lot of cockpit space to fish the boat. You have your dive door on the port side with a retracting ladder as well. Coming to the lean bar area, you have a great setup here with a sink and a live well. You do have an additional live well back here at the transom, as well as a fish box right here at the transom. Tons of tackle storage here, and more tackle storage here. Moving forward to the helm, notice on the 326 they were able to do triple helm seats, which is awesome, giving more passenger space underneath the shade in the T-top while underway. At the helm, we didn't do any electronics on the boat, of course. We'll let our customers pick what they'd like. You have your Yamaha gauges, your Yamaha joystick with Helm Master and set point, digital controls, and of course just tons of space to put whatever you'd like on the boat as far as electronics, autopilot features, anything like that. Moving forward to the boat, I'll meet you over here at the head area. Very spacious head in the 326. Rod storage, tons of space. If you want to put tackle down there as well, there is tackle storage. Moving to the bow of the boat, great job with the forward seating here in front of the helm. Notice you have cup holders and grab handles. Up here you have the forward-facing backrest, which is nice on all of Grady-White's center console series and the Canyon series. You have the insert here if you want to do a casting platform insert. And then of course forward, you have your windlass, which is recessed into the hull. This is a brief walkthrough of the new 2020 326 Canyon. My name's Kit Beaudry at MarineMax Pensacola. We look forward to seeing you on the water.